Alright, so Fruity Loops. Go into options, MIDI settings. Here you want to put in your Qcon Pro X version 115. You have to set this to port 108. Down here you have your input, Qcon Pro X. Set this port to 108. And then we go ahead and we get a connection here. We can control our, well, let's see, we got to bring up the mixer. How do we bring up the mixer again? Bring up the mixer. Mixer, we have control of all 8 channels.
Make a beat and then.
Yeah, I'm just showing that you can actually control the faders for each channel. And then the master up here. And how do I get back to, okay, so get back to this screen here, make a beat. Well, just throw in some random stuff here. Hit play. And we have control of each level. Kick drum, clap.
Right click the hat.
Which one? The hat?
Yeah, right click the hat and click fill each 2-step.
Fill each 2-step, okay. Got it. Funky beat, huh?
Yeah. Yeah.
That's as much volume as I get out of this little guy, so.
Yeah.
I can bring the master up.
Oh.
There we go.
Yeah, bring them.
Get the master coming up here. A funky little beat, man.
Faders on the controller.
Throw down some faders. Bring them all down. Bring them in one at a time.
Show that on the mixer. Like click the mixer on the DAW and then show it where it's moving up and down with your hands on the controller.
Yeah, I got that.
Okay.
Finally got. I guess I got a 4th one.
Man, you made my day, man. For real, you made my day.
So let's see if I mute them. Yeah, the mute buttons work for each channel. And solo each one.
Yeah, turn the EQs, like the whatever those things called.
Which one now? The I don't. Oh, that changes the pan. That actually does change the pan.
Yeah, yeah.
Let's see. Okay. So if I solo one out, I guess I'm panning left and I'm panning right. Yeah, I am actually. Here it is here it is on the DAW. You can see I'm panning left, panning right. So pretty much all that's working. As far as what these guys do, you have to experiment. Like I said, I think I brought up.
I just hope, man, you could put me out there. Like, alright, we did this together, man.
I didn't do anything. You did it all. All right, so that's basically it. That's the demonstration I got for now. It's in a loop too, which is interesting. No.
Well, I mean, if you could tell your company that I help you go through this, and then we figure this out.
Yeah, like I said. Cool. So that's the demonstration.